How to create a maintenance schedule for multi-unit properties. A practical guide for 2025. Maintaining a multi-unit property has always required a careful balance of planning, budgeting, and preventive care. But in today's rental market, where tenant expectations are rising and buildings across Pinellas County continue to age, establishing a structured, proactive maintenance schedule is no longer optional. It's a necessity for preserving asset value, reducing long-term repair costs, and protecting a landlord's reputation in an increasingly competitive housing environment. A well-designed maintenance plan doesn't just keep the property functional, it ensures tenants feel safe, heard, and supported. And in a region like Pinellas County, where humidity, storms, and salt air accelerate wear and tear, taking a reactive approach can quickly become expensive. This guide outlines how landlords and property managers can build an effective, realistic maintenance schedule for multi-unit buildings, one that minimizes crises and keeps properties operating smoothly year-round. Why multi-unit properties require structured maintenance. Unlike single-family rentals, multi-unit buildings introduce shared systems, higher foot traffic, and more complex infrastructure. Elevators, shared HVAC systems, roof drainage, and laundry facilities all experience consistent use across multiple households. A missed inspection doesn't just inconvenience one tenant, it affects an entire building. In dense rental markets like St. Petersburg, Clearwater, and Seminole, renters increasingly prioritize well-maintained buildings as part of their leasing decisions. Competition has made maintenance quality a distinguishing factor, something tenants notice long before amenities or interior finishes. Step 1. Start with a comprehensive property assessment. Before creating a schedule, property managers should begin with a full assessment of the building's systems, age, and known vulnerabilities. This typically includes reviewing roof condition and expected lifespan, HVAC units, boilers, or chillers, plumbing and supply line age, electrical systems and panels, common area flooring and lighting, exterior elements such as siding, balconies, and stairwells, parking lots, drainage, and landscaping, elevators or mechanical systems. In Pinellas County, buildings near the coast may require additional attention due to salt-related corrosion and storm season exposure. These environmental factors play a crucial role in determining how often certain items must be inspected or serviced. Step 2. Categorize maintenance into time-based intervals. A successful schedule breaks maintenance tasks into predictable time frames. This ensures landlords stay ahead of issues without overwhelming on-site teams. Weekly tasks. Inspect common areas for cleanliness and safety hazards. Check exterior lighting and replace as needed. Clear trash enclosures and recycling zones. Look for early signs of leaks or moisture intrusion. Monthly tasks. Test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in shared hallways. Flush water heaters in buildings with heavy usage. Check fire extinguishers and emergency exit lighting. Clean gutters and downspouts during rainy months. Quarterly tasks. Service HVAC systems in every unit. Treat pest-prone areas. Inspect roofs, balconies, railings, and stairwells. Evaluate landscaping health and irrigation performance. Annual tasks. Conduct a full building inspection with licensed contractors. Repaint exterior areas vulnerable to moisture or sun exposure. Pressure wash siding and walkways. Resurface parking lots or repair potholes. Update emergency preparedness plans for hurricane season. Creating predictable intervals keeps maintenance manageable and prevents costly emergency repairs. Step 3. Implement a system for tenant reporting. Even the most thorough maintenance schedule can't replace tenant visibility. Residents often identify small issues before they become serious. To streamline reporting, provide easy online forms or mobile apps. Encourage prompt reporting through reminders. Track all requests in a centralized system. Respond quickly to urgent issues. Strong communication between tenants and management prevents small problems from escalating and signals professionalism to residents. Step 4. Budget for both routine and long-term maintenance. A maintenance plan is only as reliable as the funding behind it. Multi-unit buildings require both operational maintenance budgets and long-term capital reserves. Routine maintenance budget, recurring tasks like HVAC servicing, landscaping, and cleaning. Capital reserve budget, Major expenses such as roof replacements, repaving, plumbing updates, and exterior repainting. Many property managers in Pinellas County recommend reserving between 10-20% of annual rental income for long-term repairs, depending on the building size and age. Step 5. Partner with reliable vendors. Multi-unit properties rely heavily on vendor relationships. Having a vetted list of electricians, plumbers, HVAC specialists, landscapers, and general contractors can dramatically reduce downtime during repairs. Consistency matters. Vendors familiar with a building's history are better equipped to identify recurring issues and recommend prevention strategies. Step 6. Review and adjust the schedule annually. Maintenance needs evolve. An annual review ensures the schedule accurately reflects current building conditions, tenant volume, and updated safety codes. Landlords should revisit vendor performance, budget adequacy, past repair frequency, adjustments needed after seasonal weather impacts. In coastal Florida, especially, post-storm evaluations are essential. Conclusion: a strategic approach protects property value and tenant satisfaction. A well-designed maintenance schedule does more than prevent emergencies. It ensures multi-unit buildings remain safe, efficient, and financially sustainable, qualities renters increasingly expect in today's market. For property owners in Pinellas County, where environmental stressors demand vigilant upkeep, the right plan can be the difference between steady cash flow and costly disruptions. Proactive maintenance isn't simply a management task. It's a long-term investment in the health of the property and the experience of the people who call it home.